In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload unlisted videos on YouTube. So first, let's click on the create icon here and then click on upload video and then select the file that you want to upload. And then let's scroll down. Select no, it's not made for kids. And then click on next. And then I'll just click on next again. And here in the visibility page, you want to click on unlisted so that only those with a video link can watch your video. Just click on save. And now only those people who have the link to your video can view that video that you uploaded. And that is how you upload unlisted videos on YouTube. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.